Margin option column controls how cut margin specified at product level applies to length and width of each cut. For example, this cut item is set with a 3-inch cut margin under its product specification. By default, it is set to length only, meaning cut margin applies to length of its row cuts and length of its fill pieces. If set to by width only, it applies to the width of the fill pieces only. If set to both width and length, it applies the length of the row cuts and both length of the width of fill piece cuts. Overlap row cut column is a checkbox that controls whether to allow allocated cuts, especially those with angles, to fit into each other to save waste in the cut sheet window. Like shown in this example, by default it is turned off, so cuts with angles do not fit into each other even if there are spaces to do so, as shown in this example. Cut option column controls how cuts are allocated with respect to rooms. Row cut by room option controls if to have all cuts of any room to be put next to each other in the same section of cut sheet, and they are not shared with cuts from other rooms, even if there is a space for it, as shown in this example. Sequential cuts by room option ensures that each sequential cut of a room area is sequentially allocated in cut sheet as well, as shown in this example.